So I'm back with a new video of insertion sort. So this is a new sorting technique I'll be teaching you today. So what is insertion sort? So the basic idea of insertion sort is, think of it like a deck of cards. Let's say you have already got the card denoting 3, 5 and 6. Now you have got one card that is 2. So what you will do, what you will do is, like, you will put that two number card in the first position and you will shift all the other cards, right? So this is the basic idea of insertion sort. So how we will do is, like, okay, so we'll start a loop. That loop will start from the first position and it will go till the end of the array. So okay, so let's say here in the first position I will start the loop. So when we are checking this position, we'll take one variable key. So there we'll put this value. Okay, so 5 will put. Now we'll check the previous positions. Okay, so one more loop we will check. We'll go from the immediate previous one till 0th position. Okay, so for this one, only this one is there. For this I equals to 1, only one element is there, so take that as j. Okay, so j will be I minus 1, so it will be starting from I minus 1 and it will go till 0, and we'll check, so is it greater than this one? So no, it is not greater than this one. So what we'll do, we'll just shift the I position. Okay, so okay, I comes to here and j will come to here. So okay, then again we will check. So 6 is 5 greater than 6? No, it is not greater than 6. So okay, we'll again move this I. Okay, so, okay, so j will come here. Okay, now we have seen that this key I is 2, so I is in this 2 element, so key will be 2 right here. Okay, so we'll update it to 2. Okay, so now we have seen that this one is bigger than this key, right? So what we will do, we'll just overwrite this value, which is this jth positions value. Okay, so what will be the array now? So it will be 3, 5, 6, 6 and 4. Then make j one smaller, so j will go till the 0, you remember, right? I have told you. So now decrement the j, so now j is in this position, right? J. Now again compare this jth position element with this key. So again it is bigger than this one. So what we'll do, we'll do j plus 1, this 5 will overwrite with this one. So what basically happening is, we are just shifting it, right? So now it will happen, what will happen with 3, 5, this becomes 5 now, 5 now. So now this is 6 and this is 4. Okay, now again j will come to this position. Okay, so it is again smaller, or it is again bigger than the key. So what will happen, what we will do, j plus 1 positions value will overwrite with this one. Okay, so now what happens, this 3, 3, 5, 6 and 4. Okay, now we can see that there is no more element there, so j anyways we will decrement it. Okay, so it will come to minus 1 position, j will come here. This is the position of minus 1. because this is the 0th position, right? So this is, it comes to -1 position. So now what we'll do when it hits the -1 position, we'll do nums of j plus 1. So this value will replace with this 2. See how beautifully it comes to this place. See, 5, 6 and 4. Okay, see, 2 comes to its positions, its original position, right? So all these elements 3, 5, 6, it shifted here, and that created one hole in this one, and this one we are overwriting with this key which we have saved before. So next what will happen, next I comes to here, this one, same thing will go on. So I comes to this position, then j comes to this position. J will start from this position to 0th position, right? So we check, okay, this is bigger than this one, so what we'll do, we'll overwrite this one. So this one I will check in key, right? Okay, now this one is, so এইটো এতিয়া ইয়াৰ override কৰিব, গতিকে কি হ'ব এইটো next হ'ব 2, 3, 5, 6 and 6. okay, এতিয়া j টো আহিব এইখিনিলে। এতিয়া দেখিলে এইটো compare কৰি পেলাই চালে, compare কৰি চাওঁতে দেখিলে এইটো ডাঙৰ, this is bigger than this one. So what we will do is we'll just overwrite this position, this one. So okay, what will have now, it will become 2, 3, 5, this one will be 5 and this one will be 6. okay, now j comes to this position. So now we have seen that this is smaller than this one. So okay, then what we'll do, j is here, so j plus 1 positions value will overwrite with this key. So what will happen here is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. okay, this j plus 1's position we have overridden with it this key. So this is the basic idea of insertion sort. okay, now we'll come to the implementation part. okay, we will start on the implementation part now. So I am using Python for the implementation. okay, so okay. Insertion sort, what it will accept, it will accept one list list of integers, and it will give us back one list of integers only. okay, so what it will do is first take the length. okay, now take the outer loop. 1, 2 and it will run, right? So put this in a key. I have told you, you remember, right? So nums of I. okay, now j will start from I minus 1 position, right? I have told you. Now the inner loop, so this will go from, I have told you that j will go from immediate left position till the 0th position, right? So while j is greater than and equals to 0 and nums of j is greater than key, then what we will do, well, we will put nums of j plus 1 position. We override this one with nums of j. Now we'll just decrement j minus equals to 1. Okay, now when it reaches j minus equals to 1, j equals to 0, for the j equals to 0 1, anyways this j decrement is happening, so it will be in j equals to minus 1. So at that time what we'll do, nums of j plus 1, that means 0th position, we'll overwrite it with the key. Okay, so now we can just return this one. Okay, let's check it once. Print insertion sort. Here we'll put some values 4 3 2 5 6. Okay, let's check. See, 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the implementation of insertion sort. Now the time complexity, so okay, if this is nearly sorted, like it is already almost all the elements are sorted only, so the best case scenario, it can be big O of n, because in a while loop it might not run only because it is almost sorted. It will just take the previous value and it is already smaller than the next one, so this one might not run also. So the best case is this one, but the worst case, we have to tell worst case only. If someone asks us, then we can tell this, it is big O of n squared, right? So okay, big O of n squared, because there is a chance that for every element this while loop will run. Okay, so this is the time complexity, and space complexity in place we are doing it, so it is constant space complexity, big O of 1. So okay, thank you. I will come back with another sorting technique next time. Okay, it will be selection sort. Okay.